Ever felt that heart-stopping moment when you realize your wallet might be missing? Or that nagging feeling you left your card somewhere? It's a truly unsettling experience. In today's fast-paced world, where digital transactions are the norm, securing our finances is more critical than ever. And that's exactly what we're tackling today: how to lock your EQ bank card. Now, before we dive into the specifics of locking your EQ bank card, let's understand why this is so important. Imagine this: you're out and about, and you suddenly can't find your card. Panic sets in. What if someone finds it? What if they start making unauthorized purchases? These are valid concerns, and thankfully, EQ Bank provides a simple yet effective solution: the ability to instantly lock your card. This feature gives you immediate control over your finances. Think of it as a digital safety net. If you suspect your card is lost, stolen, or even just misplaced, locking it prevents any new transactions from going through. This buys you valuable time to locate your card or take further action, like reporting it lost or stolen to EQ Bank. So, how exactly do you lock your EQ Bank card? It's a straightforward process, and you can do it through the EQ Bank mobile app or their website. Let's start with the mobile app, as it's often the most convenient option. First, you'll need to open the EQ Bank mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're logged in with your username and password or using biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition. Once you're in, you'll see your account dashboard, which displays your account balances and recent activity. Look for the cards section. It might be located on the main screen, or you might need to tap a menu icon, usually represented by 3 lines or dots, to find it. Once you've located the cards section, tap on it. You should now see a list of your EQ Bank cards. If you only have one card, it will be displayed prominently. Select the card you want to lock. This will take you to the card details screen. On this screen, you'll find various options related to your card, such as viewing your transaction history, changing your PIN, and, most importantly, the option to lock your card. Look for a toggle switch or a button that says something like lock card, freeze card, or temporarily block. The wording might vary slightly, but the function is the same. Tap the toggle switch or button. You'll likely be asked to confirm your action. This is a security measure to prevent accidental locking of your card. Once you confirm, your EQ Bank card will be instantly locked. You will typically see a visual confirmation within the app, such as a lock icon appearing on the card image. Now, let's talk about how to lock your card through the EQ Bank website. This is a great alternative if you don't have access to your mobile device or prefer using a computer. First, open your web browser and go to the EQ Bank website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the card section, similar to the process on the mobile app. Select the card you wish to lock. You'll be taken to the card details page, where you'll find the option to lock your card. Again, look for a button or toggle switch labeled lock card, freeze card, or similar. Click the button or toggle the switch. You'll be prompted to confirm your action. Once you confirm, your card will be locked immediately, and you should see a confirmation on the screen. It's important to remember that locking your card is a temporary measure. It prevents new transactions, but it doesn't cancel your card. If you find your card or determine that it wasn't lost or stolen, you can easily unlock it using the same process through the app or website. Just go back to the card details screen and toggle the lock switch back to the off position. Now, what happens if you realize your card is definitely lost or stolen? Locking your card is the first step, but you'll need to take further action. Contact EQ Bank immediately to report the lost or stolen card. They will cancel your existing card and issue you a new one. This protects you from any potential fraudulent activity. It's also crucial to remember that locking your card doesn't reverse any transactions that happened before you locked it. So, if you notice any suspicious activity, report it to EQ Bank immediately. They have procedures in place to investigate and resolve fraudulent transactions. Let's recap the key takeaways. Locking your EQ Bank card is a simple and effective way to protect your finances. You can do it instantly through the mobile app or website. It's a temporary measure that prevents new transactions. If your card is lost or stolen, you should also contact EQ Bank to report it. This feature provides peace of mind knowing you have control over your card, even when you can't physically put your hands on it. It's a great example of how digital banking tools can empower us to manage our finances more securely. Remember, staying proactive is key. Familiarize yourself with these steps now, so you're prepared in case you ever need to lock your EQ Bank card. It's much better to know how to do it in advance than to scramble for information during a stressful situation. This knowledge can save you time, money, and a lot of anxiety. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.